Welcome. This is a quick standing yoga class that you can do at the office or anywhere that you feel like you don't have enough space to kind of sprawl out on your mat. This is a great option. So we'll begin standing, inhaling the hands up overhead. Exhale, release the hands back down to your sides. We'll inhale, reach back up. We'll do this a few times. Just getting the oxygen into the lungs, into the body. On your next exhale, draw the hands into heart center. Interlace your fingers, flip your palms. Inhale, reach them up overhead. As you exhale, side stretch towards the left, so drawing the palms over towards your left. Take your gaze up. Inhale back to center, exhale, side stretch towards your right. Inhale back to center, release the hands. And go ahead and just sway the arms side to side. Let the hands be heavy here. Make sure there's nothing in your way. And as you're doing this, maybe just allow the stress to really just release from your body. Any overwhelming feeling, any anxiety, just shake it out here. And we'll start to slow our sway whenever you're set, coming back to center. We'll take the feet mat width distance, interlace our fingers behind our back, pulling the fist towards the mat as you lift the chin up. Gentle gaze here. And as you exhale, begin to bend the knees, hinging at the hips, folding forward, keeping the fists towards the tailbone or reach them up towards the sky. Maybe shake the head yes and no, side to side, softening the neck. And we'll inhale to standing, reaching the hands up overhead. Exhale, heart center. Inhale, reach. Exhale, fold, option to bend the knees. Inhale, half lift, flat back, come up as high as you need. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach, come to standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, chair pose. Sit the hips nice and low. Keep the knees bent. Hands reach up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, half lift. Full exhale, plant the right hand to the mat. Inhale, left hand reaches up, gently bending that right knee. And we'll exhale, left hand to the mat, bending that left knee. Inhale, right hand reaches up. Exhale, fold. Inhale, come to standing, hands reach up overhead. Exhale, heart center. We'll take one more breath here. Inhale, reach. Exhale, heart center. Thank you for joining. Namaste. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it below, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any updates on future videos and live streams.